Alpaca nabs $6 million for stocks API so anyone can build a Robinhood. Stock trading app Robinhood is valued at $7.6 billion, but it only operates in the US. Freshly funded fintech startup Alpaca does the dirty work so developers worldwide can launch their own competitors to that investing unicorn. Like the Stripe of stocks, Alpaca's API handles the banking, security and regulatory complexity, allowing other startups to quickly build brokerage apps on top for free. It has already crossed $1 billion in transactions within a year of launch. The potential to power the backend of a new generation of fintech apps has attracted a $6 million series round for Alpaca led by Spark Capital. Instead of charging developers, Alpaca earns its money through payment for order flow, interest on cash deposits and margin lending, much like Robinhood. I want to make sure that people even outside the US have access to a way of building wealth that's historically only available to rich people, Alpaca co-founder and CEO Yoshiyuki Okawa tells me. Alpaca co-founder and CEO Yoshiyuki Okawa. Hailing from Japan, Yoko Okawa followed his friends into the investment banking industry, where he worked at Lehman Brothers until its collapse. After his grandmother got sick, he moved into day trading for 3 years and realized all the broker-dealer business tools were pretty bad. But when he heard of Robinhood in 2013 and saw it actually catering to users' needs, he thought, I need to be involved in this new transformation of fintech. Yoko Okawa ended up first building a business selling deep learning AI to banks and trading firms in the foreign exchange market. Watching clients struggle to quickly integrate new technology revealed the lack of available developer tools. By 2017, he was pivoting the business and applying for FINRA approval. Alpaca launched in late 2018, letting developers paste in code to let their users buy and sell securities. Now international developers and small hedge funds are building atop the Alpaca API so they don't have to reinvent the underlying infrastructure themselves right away. Alpaca works with clearing broker NTC, and then marks up margin trading while earning interest and payment for order flow. It also offers products like Alpaca Forecast, with short-term predictions of stock prices, Alpaca Radar for detecting price swings and its market store financial database server. Alpaca Forecast. The $6 million from Spark Capital, Social Leverage, Portag 3, Fathom Capital and Zillion Eyes adds to $5.8 million in previous funding from investors, including Y Combinator. The startup plans to spend the cash on hiring to handle partnerships with bigger businesses, supporting its developer community and ensuring compliance. One major question is whether fintech businesses that start to grow atop Alpaca and drive its revenues will try to do. For more on this story, visit the news article link.